All right, here we have a seal kit coming right out of the box. Got your metal on metal dual cone face seal here. All set with the O-rings installed right on there. Also got your main shaft seal. Got 2 main cam seals here. And then you have your brake piston assembly, which has quite a few seals in it. You are going to want to get that out, so when you press your hub apart, you're going to want to come from the back side and tap that brake piston out. There is a snap ring holding it in place, beware, or else you'll be tapping for days. It has your thick square cut and your O-ring for the 2 outside pieces. 2 inside pieces take O-rings. And then it has 6 posts holding the 2-piece piston assembly together, which will get 6 small O-rings and 6 large. And then also we've got your 2-speed seal if you have a 2-speed. If you don't, this kit fits the single speed also, and some other valve seals. You can get this at crcomponents.com. Appreciate your time.